Hello, this is Aid Maker. I have a chinning dipping exercise machine. When I need a break between workouts, I use a timer on my smartphone. It was so inconvenient because there was no place to put my cell phone. So I decided to relieve this inconvenience. This is my portable stand. I came up with the idea of mounting this stand on the machine. This is how you make a smartphone holder with a 3D printer and attach it to the machine. So, shall we get to work? First, measure the size of the machine and hold like this. And I completed this simple stand through 3D modeling. So, shall we try 3D slicing first? At this time, be sure to lay down the bolt before printing. That way it will be strong. And the body prints well even without the supporter. So remove the supporter. Let's print using the bamboo printer. I was able to complete the printing in about an hour. Now let's get rid of the supporters. And let's do an assembly test. Now let's combine the completed printout with the machine. You can use these two bolts to make a simple but very strong connection. Now let's mount your smartphone. It hangs very well. You can also adjust the angle in 3 steps like this. I'll show you the overall installation. Even a much heavier iPad can be held very well. If you have a chinning dipping machine similar to mine, download it from Thingiverse and Printable and try making it. With this stand, you can safely hold any cell phone. Aid Maker has been helping you all so far. See you next time. Bye!